Welcome back. Today I am back with another video. Today I will be reviewing one particular portable tire inflator which have been procured online. I will thank to one of my subscribers who has provided this product to review this. So thanks to Mr. Saurabh for providing this particular gadget. Its name is Tusa Smart Air Compressor. Now let me see how this product works. Before reviewing the product, let us see what are the things available inside. This is the box. Inside there is a small pouch, and inside this pouch you have this tire inflator, and this pouch is very handy. So you can easily keep it inside the car glove box, or you can easily keep it in the boot or below the seat, and it's quite compact. So this is the particular tire inflator. We'll see once we connect it. There is the display dial where you get all the readings regarding your air pressure. You have some fuses, some additional accessories if you want to inflate any balloon or anything like that. And inside there is a warranty card. There is a warranty card, some instruction manual. The product claims that it has got 2 years warranty, and they have provided a phone number for that. So let us see, and these are the specification. Maximum tire pressure you can go up to 150 psi, and its airflow is 35 liters per minute, and the power it will consume 10 amps, and it will be powered by the 12 volt DC socket that is available in our car. So let's connect it with the car and see how this particular tire inflator performs. Now let me connect it to the 12 volt socket. So there lies the 12 volt socket. Every car nowadays are having 12 volt socket, so it is not an issue at all. Now put the car in accessories mode to power on your 12 volt socket. I have opened the spare tire and I will check. This is one problem with Tata Altroz. When you need to inflate your spare tire, it is actually installed backwards, so the air nozzle on the other side. So you need to every time lift your tire and then fill it up. Let me first check how much pressure it has. For this I will be using an analog meter. I am having this. It is around 20 psi. I think I haven't given any tire pressure to it for the last 6 months. Yes, so it needs a lot of tire pressure. So let me first start the engine. Since this type of tire pressure regulator consumes a lot of battery, so it's better to switch on the car. This is a non-threaded type nozzle. And let me add pressure. It has got digitally it is showing it has got 28. So let me start. Start the engine, choose display unit and enter your desired pressure. Enter your desired pressure. So this is my desired pressure. Now I will start the engine. but here it is showing 31.5. so let me again increase it and restart it. So it's not that once you set 35 and it will directly inflate it to 35. So you need to press twice or thrice. So again I am giving it. So it has gained 33 by now. Again I am trying it. Okay, so it has reached 34. So 34 is sufficient for this tire. So now I will stop. So it is quite fast. If I compare with my earlier tire pressure inflator, this unit is quite fast and it works very well. Turn on the power and wait for auto shut up. Don't use continuously more than 7 to 10 minutes, otherwise it will get heated up and the unit will be destroyed. So best practice, you add tire pressure in small bursts. That I follow actually. So let us check again. Okay, so let's stop the car and remove the nozzle. That's how the Tusha portable tire inflator works. Hope I have been able to explain you how a portable inflator, how you can inflate a tire with the help of a portable inflator. And I think everybody who is owning a car must buy this equipment, whether Tusha or any other brand, but this I find is very fast and compared to my earlier tire inflator, and you can buy this. It is a very important accessory for all the car owners and definitely you should buy it. So this is how the tire inflator works, and if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up, and those viewers, those who have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.